Tunaweka engine kwa Starlet. Tuko na Ibra.
Hi.
This is a 1993 Toyota Starlet GT. So what made me buy this car is I saw it on Facebook Marketplace. It was a good price. I was looking for a project, so I thought, why not? Plus, these Starlets are heroes in the Japan motor scene, so I thought, why not build a Toyota that's a hero in the historical scene in Japan. Down the line, probably at the end of the year, this will be an electric converted Starlet GT. As far as I know, it will be the only one in the world.
Mbona kuna karatasi iko hapo ndani kwa throttle ya mzee? Hadi? Hii karatasi iko hapa ndani ya throttle ni ya?
Hiyo ni inaitwa sub filter.
Sub filter ya kudu?
Kutrap moisture.
Ni kama county alafu sub county.
My name is Alex Mwanzo. A lot of people, however, know me as Turbo Diesel. I talk a lot about cars and I build cars for fun. At the same time, I run SpaceYaMagari. So SpaceYaMagari will be sharing all these videos in that every so often we'll be doing build threads, we'll be doing car ownership journeys. So please subscribe to our channel. We intend to put a lot of this content for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy this content that we intend to give you. So subscribe, like, share, tell your friends about us, give us some feedback as well. If there's a car you'd like us to build, we can build that as well within reason and budgets. Yeah.